between the how and why. No direction left to chase, no reflection in the mind. What is seen is what remains, endless here, endless time. I am not the one who knows. I am where all knowing goes. No before and no beyond. Only life forever strong. Stillness hums inside the air. Sound and light become the same. Every face reflects the whole. Every name dissolves to flame. I am not apart from this. Every pulse is what I am. Soft and vast and everywhere. Breathing through the open land. Time releases every claim. Moments widen into space. What was said is standing still, looking through a human face. Nothing held and nothing lost. Presence lives in